Hey, looking to learn web development in 2021? Well, you are the right place. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Arafat and today we're gonna be talking about top 4 IDEs for 2021. Well, these are my best pick, and these are not necessarily a must-use IDEs. These are just my best pick. So let's get into it. The first ID we're gonna be talking about is going to be Webstorm. Well, Webstorm is basically, um, as the name suggests, a web development IDE. Well, it's developed by JetBrains, as the name might suggest. It requires a monthly or yearly subscription. Its features include coding assistance for popular JavaScript frameworks, built-in version control, debugging support, integrated unit testing tools, user interface for common command line tools, support for plugins. It has its pros, lots of tools that make development easy. It's customizable, similar to other JetBrains IDEs, common experience, similar, um, and it's also cross-platform. Um, Cons are also subscription needed for most use cases. Cost free for students and open source projects. Monthly subscription price varies between individuals and teams, so the price ranges from an individual to a team. So if a team has different pricing from an individual. So our number two ID we're gonna be talking about is another one from JetBrains, which is called PHP Storm. Sorry, PHPStorm is a cross-platform IDE for PHP developed by JetBrains, as I mentioned earlier. It's licensed under commercial proprietary software and is written in Java. Features include provides a smart PHP code editor that performs code completion, syntax highlighting, error checking, etc. Code inceptions are present that verify your code as and how you type, allows you to easily navigate through your code, supports zero configuration debugging, makes it really easy to debug your program. PHP unit tests can be developed and executed immediately from directories, files, or classes. Supports all the cutting edge web development technology, which are HTML5, CSS, SAS, C, SCSS, and less. Provides tools that enable database support. So another one from JetBrains, another great tool you need to another great IDE you need to try when you get into web development in 2021. Let's talk about our third IDE, which you are mostly aware of, and that is Atom. Atom is a free and open source text and source code editor for Mac, Linux, and Microsoft. Resolved for plugins written in JavaScript and embedded in Git control, developed by GitHub. That was in 2015. Um, Atom is built using web technologies. Its features includes very customizable, works well with most popular programming languages. Lots of extensions available. It pros are free. It's free. It's open source. It's cross-platform, flexible and extensible, popular, so it's easy to find help or extension. Yeah, it's very popular. Python is Atom is very popular IDE. And the cons include requires extra setup for certain projects and languages, built on Chrome, so uses a lot of memory, cost free. Yeah, so a lot. Let's talk about the cons, like require extra setup for certain project. But when it comes to certain projects and languages, you really need to swear a lot when you want to set them up using when it comes to Atom. But anyway, it's a very good IDE for development or web development for that matter. So now let's talk about the main and then one of the most widely used IDEs of all, that is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free source code editor made by Microsoft for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Features include support for debugger, syntax highlighting, intelligent code complete snippet, code refactoring, and embedded Git. User can change theme, keyboard, a lot of functionality with when it comes to Visual Studio Code. You have a lot of preferences. You can make it however you like it. Well, it was ranked in the 2019 Stack Overflow survey as was the most used developer environment tool with 50.7% of 87,317 respondents reporting that they use it. So Visual Studio Code is a source code editor that can be used with a variety of programming, including Java, JavaScript, Go, Node.js, and C++. It's based on Electron framework, just like Atom. So let's look at the features. Well, the features include it's very customizable. It has a built-in version control. It has debugging support. Works well with most programming languages. Marketplace with extension. There are a lot of extensions you can download. You can download and install. Live share for easy remote collaboration. Pros is free. It's open source, cross-platform, flexible and extensible. Popular, so it's easy to find help. Or yeah, it's very popular these days. I don't know about any editor or any programmer that's not using Visual Studio Code or hasn't used it before. Let's talk about the cons. Requires extra setup for certain projects and languages. Built on Chrome, so uses a lot of memory. So again, just like Atom, but these are not a basis for you not to use Visual Studio. It's one of the best, and that's what I'm currently using right now, and I'm enjoying it. It's very easy to use. Everything is so clean and crisp. You set your preferences however you want, and you're good to go. So guys, those are the top 4 IDEs you should be using in 2021 for web development. Any of them is pretty much good, but some of them you need to look at the features before you get into it. Well, I think that's the end of this video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification icons, and be sure to get more videos like this. If you found this video helpful, tap the like button or click the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.